Exploring the Chennai with Shabla Local. In this video series, we will talk about Chennai's vibrant culture, hidden gems and dishes. Join us for an authentic experience. Are you ready to explore? This video is your ultimate guide to everything this amazing city has to offer. Get ready for adventure. Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, is a dynamic coastal metropolis on the Bay of Bengal. Known for its cultural richness, the city boasts vibrant temples, classical dance, and a thriving film industry. With a blend of traditional and modern elements, Chennai is a center of commerce, education, and diverse culinary cuisine. How to reach Chennai? Getting to Chennai is easy with its well-connected transport network. By air, Chennai International Airport, MA, is well connected to domestic and international destinations with regular flights from major cities. By train, Chennai Central and Chennai Egmore are the main railway stations, well linked to various cities across India with numerous trains. By road, national highways connect Chennai to neighboring states, and there are bus services, including both government and private operators, providing road connectivity. By sea, Chennai has a major port, and there are occasional cruise services and cargo ships that connect the city to other ports. Historical attractions: Chennai is steeped in rich culture and heritage. The city is dotted with magnificent temples like Ekambareswar Temple, ancient Hindu shrine in Kachipuram, Tamil Nadu, dedicated to Lord Shiva, renowned for its vast campus and towering Gopuram. Marina Beach, iconic stretch along the Bay of Bengal in Chennai, India, known for its golden sands, bustling promenade, diverse vendors, and stunning views of the sea at Sunrise and sunset. Vandalur Zoo, Arignar Anna Zoological Park, one of the largest zoos in India, located near Chennai, housing a diverse range of wildlife and promoting conservation and education initiatives. Government Museum. Established in 1851, this cultural and historical institution showcases a vast collection of artifacts, art, and archaeological exhibits, providing insights into Tamil Nadu's rich heritage. Guindi National Park, an urban oasis in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, provides shelter to diverse flora and fauna, including deer and black buck, within its protected ecosystem, while promoting environmental conservation. Madras Crocodile Bank Trust and Center for Herpetology, a renowned reptile conservation center near Chennai, Tamil Nadu, dedicated to the preservation of endangered crocodiles and other reptiles, fostering research and public awareness. Nochikuppam Beach, a serene coastal stretch in Chennai, known for its peaceful ambience, traditional fishing community, and simple charm, offering a quiet escape from the city's bustling urban life. Victory War Memorial, a solemn tribute to Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives in World War I. This memorial features a central tower and sculptures commemorating their valor and sacrifice. Ripon Building, a majestic colonial-era structure in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, constructed in 1913, it serves as the headquarters of the Greater Chennai Corporation and stands as a symbol of architectural heritage. Fort St. George Museum, housed within the historic Fort St. George This museum showcases colonial artifacts, military memorabilia, and documents, offering insights into Chennai's colonial past and heritage. Art and culture. Traditional dress in Chennai typically includes the sari for women, draped elegantly in various styles, often made of Kanchipuram silk known for its rich textures and vibrant colors. Men often wear the traditional dhoti paired with a shirt or kurta. These attire choices reflect Chennai's cultural heritage and timeless fashion. Cuisine. Tamil cuisine, rich in diverse flavors, features staples like rice, lentils, and vegetables. Idli, dosa with sambar, coconut chutney, and non-vegetarian options are popular. Eating on banana leaves is a tradition. Tamilia music dance. Chennai's culture is a rich blend of Bharatanatyam dance, traditional customs, and renowned Carnatic music shows, epitomized by festive December kacheris. Heritage trips in Chennai, Mahabalipuram's 5 Rathas, showcasing exquisite stone-carved statues. Visit Dakshinachitra, a museum displaying diverse homes from South Indian states, preserving cultural richness. Kanchipuram, renowned as the city of 1,000 temples, is a historic town in Tamil Nadu, India. Famed for its silk saris, it holds religious significance with ancient temples like Kailasnath and Ekambareswar. Festivals in Chennai. Chennai is known for its vibrant festivals throughout the year. During Pongal, the city celebrates the harvest season with colorful rituals and traditional dishes. The Chennai music season, held from December to January, draws music enthusiasts from around the world to experience classical Carnatic music performances. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates Chennai with joyous celebrations and cultural fervor. Nearest places to visit from Chennai. Sometimes, a break from the city is all you need to rejuvenate. Join us as we explore some of the best nearby getaways from Chennai, Yercaud, Yelgiri, Ooty, and Kodaikanal. Yercaud, nestled in the Shevarai Hills, Yercaud is a tranquil hill station known for its coffee plantations, lush greenery, and serene lakes. Just a few hours from Chennai, it offers a perfect escape into nature. Don't miss the enchanting Yercaud Lake, the panoramic views from Ladies Sea, and the mesmerizing Shevarai Temple. Yelgiri, a lesser-known gem, is an idyllic hill station surrounded by orchards, rose gardens, and green valleys. Ideal for a peaceful retreat. Yelgiri also caters to adventure enthusiasts with activities like paragliding, trekking, and boating at Punganur Lake. Explore the beautiful Swamimlai Hill and the serene Jalgamparai waterfalls for a refreshing experience. Ooty, often referred to as the Queen of Hill Stations, is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, tea gardens, and colonial charm. A ride on the Nilgiri Mountain Railway offers spectacular views of the Nilgiri Hills. Visit the Botanical Gardens, Ooty Lake, and the Dodabitta Peak for a memorable experience. The town's vibrant markets and cozy cottages add to its timeless allure. Kodaikanal, known as the Princess of Hill Stations, Kodaikanal is a picturesque retreat in the Western Ghats. Its cool climate and mist-covered hills make it a favorite among travelers. Explore the serene Kodaikanal Lake, the stunning Silver Cascade waterfalls, and the panoramic views from Coker's Walk. Don't forget to experience the magic of the Berrijam Lake and the lush pine forests.
Tips for traveling. Safety tips: stay hydrated, be cautious with street food, respect local customs, choosing the destination, explore Marina Beach for a sunset view, Kapalishwara Temple for cultural immersion, and T Nagar for shopping to experience the essence of Chennai. Currency: Indian rupee, INR, ATMs and currency exchange services are widely available. Language: Tamil is the primary language, but English is widely spoken. The ideal time for travel. The ideal time to Visit Chennai is between November and February when the weather is cooler and more comfortable. Dress code, modest clothing recommended, especially when visiting religious sites. Chennai is a city that offers something for everyone, from cultural landmarks to modern attractions. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow to our channel for more travel tips and destination guides. Thanks for watching.